Hello there. My name is Bongiwe Mhlungu and I'm a financial planner from Sundown. Today, I want to dive into a topic that's the foundation of a secure financial future. Financial planning. Whether you're just starting your career, raising a family, or thinking about retirement, financial planning is like the GPS of your money journey. Think of financial planning as your roadmap to financial success. It's not about having a lot of money. It's about making the most of what you have and building a roadmap that suits your unique goals. Imagine you and a group of your close friends want to go on a road trip. You wouldn't just hop in a car and drive immensely, right? You'd plan your route, estimate how much petrol you need, and maybe even add some pit stops along the way. Financial planning works the same way. It helps you navigate life's financial journey with purpose. The cool part is, financial planning isn't about restrictions. It's about making your dreams a reality. It's about aligning your spending and saving habits with your values and aspirations. Because kaloku betuna, cost of living. That's it for today. Thank you for listening, and remember, financial success starts with a plan.